Another day out, another morning. I don't know. Wow, what a bad introduction. We are going out. Today is a thrift day. Outfits check. So last night we had like a really crazy night. She took me to a place. We went to this party and then we went to afters as well. क्या था?
Over and above. So there are like few clubs which play good techno, hard techno. Level 1 is, if I'm not wrong, yeah, level 1, over and above, and track.
What do you mean if you're not wrong? It's been a year for you to live here. How come you are not sure?
Because level 1, I've never been to that club, so that's why I'm not sure that whether the name is L1.
Anyway, so हम कल गए थे and it was so good. So we came like really early in the morning. हम वहाँ से कितने 5 बजे ऐसे को निकले थे क्या? 5-6 ऐसे को निकल गए थे. We slept. We woke up like around 11. उसके बाद बहुत lazy लग रहा था because obviously lots of drinks and all. बॉडी कितना टायर्ड हो गया था और दारू पीने के बाद ना इट्स ऑलवेज लाइक 2-3 दिन ऐसे ही रेस्ट करना होता है. बट बिकॉज आई एम इन KL एंड आई डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट माय टाइम बिकॉज कल इसका फिर फ्लाइट होगा, ये होगा वो होगा, सो इट विल बी हार्ड फॉर मी टू यू नो गो आउट एंड स्टफ. अभी जा रहा है तो मेरा पैसा थोड़ा बच रहा है. शुगर मॉमी, दिस इज शुगर मॉमी. आज भी तुम करेंगे, शी विल डू इट फॉर मी. माय शुगर मॉमी जा रही है थ्रिफ्ट स्टोर एंड देन उसके बाद ट्विन टावर जाऊँगी, चिल करूँगी. हाँ, there are a lot of दो तीन थ्रिफ्ट स्टोर जाना है and yes,
ग्रोसरी खरीदते हैं.
खत्म हो गया आलू, खत्म.
If we count in Indian currency, then it's gonna be 8k. Imagine 8k groceries.
That's not my problem. You live in an expensive city than India, then obviously है ना, इसका करेंसी ज़्यादा है तो that's not my problem. Anyway, स्टोर का नाम है Too Hot to Handle. There are a couple of thrift store जो मैंने देखा था Instagram में, तो इसलिए मैंने इसको बोला कि चलो देखते हैं. तो हाँ, ये सो रहा था, इसको ज़बरदस्ती उठाकर लेके आया, खाना वाना बनाकर खिलाकर, इसे खिलाया, खाना बनाकर मैं बनाई.
ये वाला पार्ट को she really बना.
Yes, I cooked. इसके लिए कॉफ़ी भी मैंने बनाया.
बर्तन कौन धोएगा?
धोया नहीं है अभी जाके धो सकता है. नाउ इट्स 3. देखो 3 बजे गए, कल इसका फिर फ्लाइट है. बहुत लेट हुआ बट इट्स ओके. कुछ ना करने से अच्छा कुछ करना ज़रूरी है.
We're actually kind of confused about the place where exactly it is, but somehow we managed to find it out, and yeah, that's it. And then we saw these pretty kittens out there. Actually reminded me of my babies, Kiro and Miyuko. I miss them so much.
सब उठ गया.
Finally reached at my destination. In all honesty, from the very start, I actually thought of purchasing something if only I am really attracted to the products or really like the products. I mean, if I'm genuinely convinced. Usually I'm a very picky person, so it rarely happens. Oh, by the way, the store was really pretty, and they also had nail salon inside the store. I'm not really sure much about the collection because I was not really convinced, but overall vibes, love it.
She nasty, wanna get with your boy cause I'm flashy. VVS on me how I'm shining. Hey, rich and Millie, this is perfect timing. I see diamonds in my timepiece, I stay on so you.
Finally, we were done window shopping. Then there's these babies again. I mean, at that point, I wanted to cry because I was already missing my kids so much. Then we head down the stairs to Collab, another thrift store. I'm gonna lie, the aesthetic of this store looked really amazing. The collection in this store was streetwear, and to be honest, I really like the collection out here more than the other one. But I'm not really into streetwear fashion. I'm sure if someone who is interested in streetwear fashion, they would probably love this store so much, so you should definitely come and give it a visit here once.
Hey guys, अभी फिर धूप निकल गया. देखो पहले बारिश हो रहा था इतना जोर से. Went to check like 2 thrift store. मैंने जो वीडियोस में देखा था मुझे लगा था कि बहुत अच्छा होगा. I might be very picky, but मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगा जो कलेक्शन था. 1-2 बस अच्छा लगा था, but that was also I feel like prices too much है. So the place where I live in Delhi. So Delhi में काफ़ी थ्रिफ्ट के लिए बेस्ट इज सरोजिनी और काफ़ी सस्ता में मिल जाता है. सरोजिनी में बहुत चॉइसेस होता है, लाइक यूजुअली 100-250 रुपीज़ में मिल जाता है. सो यहाँ पे आई थिंक मलेशिया यहाँ के लिए तो बहुत सस्ता है, बट फॉर मी इट विल बी लाइक टू मच. अगर 100 MYR होगा तो कितना होगा 100 मलेशियन रिंग? 2300 का 3000 ऐसे आसपास में होगा, तो आई डोंट थिंक दैट्स वर्थ द ट्रिप, जो कि इतना खास भी नहीं है. बट एनीवे यहाँ पे एक बैकग्राउंड अच्छा लगा. आई माइट टेक पिक्चर्स हियर. और इधर चलो पिक्चर्स खींचे. To get some juice. So this is mine and this is hers. Orange juice. She has watermelon juice. Is paying there. Pay कर लिया my sugar mommy. गंदा हरकतें. This dirty. She is very disgusting person.
So
Give me money.
choose.
So give me money then.
Disgusting or rich?
So give me money. Give me some money.
I mean,
Now we are going to Bukit Bintang. Yes. Twin Tower and then जाऊंगी फोटो खींचूंगी अच्छे से. एंड ये लड़की बहुत गंदा से फोटो खींच रहा है, लाइक लिटरली बहुत डिस्गस्टिंग.
the best picture ever.
मेरा
Just wait for my picture.
बाद में ना I'll show you the pictures, okay? Her
No,
best
I
and my
will
best.
show you all my pictures.
The best pictures of hers and mine. तब देखो कि कौन सा
Oh
है,
my
ठीक है?
God.
And then you decide.
Forget your feelings, show me you want it. You've been a fan, ain't no more talking. Need you to back it up. Back it up. Oh, you been feeling, body been calling. You know this good shit, you been on it. I need you.
We are in Bukit Bintang. ये अभी तक मुझे कुछ खिलाया नहीं है.
Oh my god. So mean. She's so picky. She don't want to eat anything. Whatever I offer, she rejects.
Say hi to this faltu wala guide. She don't know anything and not telling me anything.
I think we came to the wrong place.
Where are you taking me? Not giving me
The
food.
wrong place, रुको.
Not taking me to
पहले
beauty
तुम्हारा
place.
plan क्या है? Where do you want to go? Twin Tower, food or what?
Okay, the funny thing, we both were super clueless what needs to be done. We wanted to eat, we wanted to roam, we wanted to go to Twin Tower, we wanted to go everywhere. On top of it, my sister was supposed to take me out, so I was completely relying on her. And I shouldn't have done that because I know how poor she is with her Google Maps, because I had this experience last time when we were in Goa, and oh my god, I felt like this dialogue, no, अपने पाँव में ही कुल्हाड़ी मार देने वाला. So I felt that exactly the same. Anyway, मैंने सोच लिया next time अगर plan बनाऊंगी तो मैं इस पे बिल्कुल rely नहीं होंगी. Make my own plan and involve her in my plan actually. अगर इस पे छोड़ा तो भगवान ही जाने.
Hey guys, so we are having pork. Very tasty.
Yeah, it's so good. हम नहीं जानते रे मैप देखने के लिए.
The guide is so disgusting. She doesn't even know how to read map. How would you solo travel?
I will. I think हम लोग को यहाँ से टर्न लेगा. I mean, जैसे ना हाँ उधर वो साइड में क्रॉस जाना.
So in the mall we have Cartier, we have Balenciaga,
Yeah.
we have
Your
Louis
birthday
Vuitton.
gift, LV. I'll take picture for you. LV. That's your birthday gift.
Where is my gift? मेरा
और plan अभी.
यूं घुमा रहे तुमको. Am I चल के घुमा रहे हैं, चल के walking. Episode 1. Look at her trying to act she knows. फालतू लगता है.
हम लोग राइट पार्क में. यही तो है ना.
ये शर्मी का क्या करना चाहते हो? Hi guys, so I wanted to go Twin Tower. This bitch has brought me here.
No, this is
Where?
we are at the back side.
God, खाना भी नहीं खिलाया. You do that. No,
Just all like this.
boring
Caucasian আছে. Foreigner. जो मुझे लगे से.
No, I'm a one-man woman.
No man. Only woman.
Empty woman.
Empty woman.
Empty man
Empty
woman.
vessel.
Empty man woman.
तेरा ये कैमरा. But it's okay. You look like mosquito. छोटा वाला. Like देखो ऐसे कौन से पूरा full face नहीं आता है. ऐसे. मलेशिया पे ज़्यादा घूमने का जगह नहीं है.
ये
नहीं है.
गाइस मेरा व्लॉग्स पहले पुराना 100 साल पुराना लो देख लो एंड सी कितना है.
अभी तो अगर नेक्स्ट मंथ आएगा तो जस्ट सी. तब तक मेरा फ्रेंड्स भी बढ़ जाएगा और घूमने का भी हो जाएगा.
I don't care about friends. I'm more into seeing the new places, not friends. I
yeah.
don't like humans.
सारा टाइम इसका शक्ल ऐसे ही था, देखो सारा टाइम. This one time I decided not to be the, you know, planner, and this is what happens. I'm going at the right direction. देखो जंगल का बीज लेके जा रही है. जंगल का बीज देखो यहाँ से कहाँ जा रहा है.
This is park.
I think you need to ask someone.
No, this is park. I'm telling you, this is Twin Tower Park. This is Twin Tower Park. Let's go. Follow me. Follow me. Park. Yes. तुम एक साथ में दो काम कर लो ना, हाइकिंग भी कर लो और Twin Tower पे घुमा लो.
So we belong to Adi tribe. So mostly like we have very strong accent. Yeah, it's always like को बोलते हैं. और क्या था? P को F. Most of people जिसका accent बहुत strong है वो बोलेगा funny. Paper को paper.
Paper और
So, yeah.
पहाड़ को पहाड़.
पहाड़ का तो नहीं सुना, but like
नहीं,
mostly. Then जिसका accent बहुत strong है उन लोगों का ऐसे ही problem होता है. So that's why she was like for use कर.
Yeah, this way. See?
Riding in the city and I'm thinking about you. Fuck about the shit that I know ain't true.
Okay, now that I'm editing, I just realized this whole area is called KLCC Park and it's right behind the Twin Tower. The whole time we were just exploring the KLCC Park and my sister didn't tell me about that then. Anyway, finally हम पहुंच गए थे Twin Tower पे and दिल को इतना ठंडक मिला because we've been walking for like an hour. I mean half an hour probably. इस पागल गर्ल मुझे बहुत पागल करवाया. पहुंचने के बाद बहुत पागल हरकतें की obviously. हमने बहुत सारे फोटो खींचा, बहुत सारा वीडियोस बनाया जो कि अपलोड करूंगी या नहीं करूंगी मुझे नहीं पता, बट हमने बहुत बनाया. And then हमने बहुत बातें शातें की. मेरी बहन के बहुत सारा कहानी थे, वो भरा पड़ा था, तो she told me so many stories, you know, their crew stories, the cabin stories, you know, जो होते हैं cabin crew लोगों के बहुत सारे stories होते हैं. I was also a cabin crew before and I could relate to it, so we were just laughing off the whole situation, whole drama and stuff. And, you know, हम बस टाइम पास कर रहे थे बहुत सारा वहाँ पे. टाइम पास करते करते बहुत शाम हो गए थे, so we decided to go to have some food. Okay, this place was really crowded, so we literally had to find our way out from the crowd to just walk in. And honestly, हर जगह खाने का ही सामान दिख रहा था. At this point, we were starving, so we actually wanted to eat seafood. But ढूंढते हमें ये पानी पूरी वाला दिखा, and we were like, okay, let's try it. Try करके देखते हैं कि कैसा होगा. हमने try करा तो instantly regret हुआ. हमें लगा कि हमने try क्यों करा, because it was not tasty at all. कुछ तो taste था, खाने लायक था, but it was not पानी पूरी at all. हमने बस खाया, try करा, and फिर हम निकल पड़े seafood ढूंढने. At this point, we were starving, so we actually wanted to eat seafood. तो हम बहुत ढूंढने जा रहे थे. I mean, we got some seafood, but हमें बैठ कर खाना था, like चावल, seafood, proper meal खाना था, तो इसलिए हम ढूंढते जा रहे थे. Towards the end of this lane, हमें रेस्टोरेंट मिला जहाँ पर they were serving seafood, so हम बैठ गए वहाँ पे. तो हमने मेन्यू वगैरह चेक करा and it was quite decent. The price थोड़ा pricey था, but it's okay. बहन रिंगिट पे कमा दे तो she will pay.
Hi guys, we're really tired walking, so we had to sit in one of the place. We sat down at one of the restaurant and we're gonna have food because we were hungry and we were like super tired walking. कल तो ordered for some crab and fish and chawal. So let's see taste होगा कि नहीं होगा. Mostly यहाँ पे बहन ने बताया था कि मीठा मीठा होता है, and I don't like it. We want to eat some spicy and sour, so they suggested us something, so we're gonna have that. This girl is always busy on the phone. What the hell? Oi. 1 minute after shit. Next minute he orders shit.
Okay, so we ordered for food. We ordered fried rice. We ordered crab. Ordered for fish, which was steamed fish but Thai style. We were actually struggling to eat crab because it was so hard. They also gave us something to, you know, break the bones. I don't know, do you call it bones or what do you call it? Okay, so we tried to do it, but it was kind of hard. We both were struggling. It was kind of funny because people were just walking past by. They were looking at us, looking at our food, and we were like, no, please don't look at our food. We're gonna have stomach ache. I'm not really sure about my sister, but I didn't like the crab because it has some masala, which was not really like the kind of masala that I would want to have it. Indian type of masala, but it was too masala, so I didn't like it. But I really love the fish, a little bit of sour, like tom yum kind of fish, steamed fish, and I really loved it because हमारा जगह पे भी ऐसे ही कुछ खाते हैं boil वगैरह, तो ये fish हमारा जगह का थोड़ा सा similar था, तो that's why I loved it. Fried rice, it was the usual, so it was nothing fancy in taste. It was just okay. Overall, the food was so good because हमें ऐसे ही थोड़ा heavy meal खाना था. Okay, the whole time we were like eating, talking, and we were just concentrating on the food. And my sister was like making all these funny faces to all these people who were walking past by, looking at our food, and it was like, don't look at the food, just in a funny way. To tell you about my sister, she's the real funny person in our whole family. So that's why whatever she says, whatever she does, like we always find it funny, and I don't know, it's just kind of like family thing. We had quite a laugh and ate a lot. The whole moment was really good.
Hi guys, we are so done with the food. Really love this whatever the sour fish was. It was really tasty. It's just not spicy enough. And love the fried rice, but the crab, not really sure if I like it because it was some curry and oh my god, my lips just forgot. There's some curry and masala and I don't like it. Also, it was like crab khana na itna mushkil tha. That's nice. So, अभी हम जाएंगे घर. बहुत पेट भर गया and कल के लिए प्लान करना है so. Hi guys, सब कुछ हो गया अभी. Now we are heading to the home. And look at her, like whenever I 6,000 rupees on her. Wait, just on the food. Oh please, you are asking me half of the money now. Give me all money.
Don't say this thing. It's very personal. Sister, it's very personal.
Can you see, whenever I put the camera like towards her, she's always busy with the phone. I don't know who she's chatting with because I doubt she's chatting with multiple. No, she's chatting with multiple people, I'm sure. Behna, sudhar jao. Hey. Anyway, this is gonna be end of my vlog. She took me out and we had a good time actually. Like we had a good food. बहुत चलना पड़ा and दिन बहुत late से start किया, but still it was worth you know coming out. You know what to do. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Account will be in the description box. It's @Yan0.
Hi guys, please follow my channel Yinzi.
Anyway, we're gonna you know book the cab now and that's it for tonight. Okay, I hope you are enjoying my vlog like how I'm enjoying making it, recording it actually. Thank you again for watching the vlog. अगर आपने पहले वाला एपिसोड नहीं देखा तो प्लीज़ देख लो. वर्कला वाला मैंने 2 डाला हुआ है. हाँ, episode 1, episode 2 डाला हुआ है. That's it. Thank you guys. Bye.